Once upon a time, in a vibrant city where people from all corners of the world lived in harmony, there was a young boy named Alex. Alex had always been curious about who he was and where he came from. One sunny Saturday morning, Alex sat with his grandmother in their cozy living room filled with colorful photographs and artifacts from eras gone by. "Grandma," he asked, "can you tell me about our family history?" His grandma smiled softly, her eyes twinkling. "Oh dear Alex, our story is a tapestry woven with threads from many lands." She began to tell tales about his great-grandfather and great-aunt. Inspired by these stories, Alex decided to participate in the upcoming cultural fair at school. The fair was a grand celebration where everyone shared the unique aspects of their heritage. For the event, Alex, with a little help from his family, chose to showcase a fusion dance that encompassed all the cultures in his lineage. While practicing, he discovered a joy within him. The day of the fair arrived, and the school grounds turned into a vibrant palette of colors, sounds, and fragrances. As Alex stepped onto the stage, he felt a surge of warmth and pride. He danced with all his heart, each movement telling a story, a reflection of the diverse cultures that made him who he was. After his performance, Alex felt a renewed confidence. We see a girl in a kimono learning calligraphy, and a boy baking traditional Italian bread. The story wraps up with these young individuals standing together, holding flags, symbols of unity in diversity. Each one holds a sign that reads, "I am proud of my heritage." Remember, your story is like no one else's. Celebrate it, cherish it, because where you come from is truly amazing.